Hi, it's Peter from CalcBook, and today we're going to be doing a quick introductory video to our new module, which is a retaining wall design module. So inside of our concrete design, where we can go ahead and click on the retaining wall module, and we'll get that loaded up. And when it opens, we have sort of set up this retaining module with some default values, so you have some sort of regular size retaining wall dimensions here. And then you also notice we've reorganized our summary page here, so we've got a dynamically updating image here on the left that will adapt to different load types or wall dimensions or that sort of thing. And then on the right side here we have our summary of design results. So we have all of our design results, all of our different failure modes that we're looking at, and then we can filter those down by stability. So we have our sliding, overturning, bearing pressure, and then all of our strength calculations, our wall stem, our footing at the toe, footing at the heel, and then our shear key strength calculations. And then, like our normal layout, right, we've got our stability demands here. So if we want to look at our detailed calculation for our wall sliding demand, we can open up that section and we can look at, our surcharge loading and our lateral seismic and that sort of thing and figure out what the total demand is from our lateral loading. And then we have the same thing for our strength calculations. And then on the other side, right, we have our strength and stability calculations for the capacity. So that is just a quick overview of our new retaining wall design module. If you want to check it out, go over to calcbook.com and download the free trial, and you can take a look.